And the next day, I was walking confidently, like a queen should. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we will be going over how to get smooth legs without shaving. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. So we're going to head to the station to make this thing happen, which happens to be the bathroom. So hair removal for me is using Veet and Nair. And today we're using Veet with that razorless shaver thing. So we're just dousing this on my legs one at a time, of course. And I will be chiming in as we go. And while we're waiting for this hair removal, while we're waiting for this to take effect, we're going to look at the directions here and the precautions. It does say here, and I will point to it, to leave on the skin for 5 minutes. That's 5 minutos. Yes. And I'm just dancing while I'm waiting for this to kick in. So I'm giving you guys a quick close-up here. As it starts to work on the hair, it starts to break down the hair follicles. And it has been 5 minutes. So another close-up here. The hairs, as this cream begins to work, it does begin to make them look squiggly, and I'll point to it. Boom, right there. We are going to start with that razorless shaver thing right there, and I'm going to let you guys just watch and cruise to the music. So here I am using a damp paper towel to just wipe my legs down and just get off that excess cream off of my legs to prep also for the next step. So here we're going in with OGX's Argan Oil of Morocco Body Lotion. Now, I will say this and let you guys watch the remaining part. That was too much lotion. That was too much. I mean, just too much. But I made it work. You'll see. After a while of working this lotion into my legs, I finally got the flow of things, as you guys can see. And the next day, I was walking confidently, like a queen should. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to get smooth legs without shaving. And until next time, and until the next video,